Hello viewers, welcome to this channel, Perfect Analyst. Myself, 𝗟𝗲𝗿𝗍𝗂. I have more than 13 years of experience as a business analyst, data analyst or research analyst. The purpose of this channel is for those candidates who want to be a data analyst or business analyst. We will create all videos for those candidates who want to be a data analyst or business analyst. In addition to the theoretical knowledge, I will be more focused on practical knowledge and how you can prepare yourself for any interview. So let's have a look into the screen. You can see here I have given the roadmap to be a data analyst. I have given here the steps to be followed. The first one is you should learn the basic knowledge on Excel, basic knowledge on basic statistics, visualization tool, or I can say the advanced BI tools like Power BI or Tableau. You should learn one query language. It is very important because most of the interviewer they will ask whether you have any knowledge on SQL, and because you have to interact with the server every time. You need to collect the data or gather data from different sources of databases. Then it is not mandatory to learn Python, but it is always better to learn Python language, which will give some boost to your resume. Interviewer will always prefer candidates who has an additional skills or the language like Python. And finally, now Azure is very popular. You should also learn the use of Azure, Microsoft Azure. And when you are preparing for an interview, please make sure that you have done some project if you are a freshers, or the case studies that will boost to your resume. So so what are the things you need to learn in Excel? So how it will be useful for any data analyst or doing analysis for your data? I have given the details here. So these are the things that you should learn, like data sorting, filter, chart, what is conditional formatting, pivot table, how you can create table in Excel, some of the basic Excel function like how to sum, how to trim, VLOOKUP, how to average, how to use concatenate function, maximum, count. These are all the basic function of Excel that you should learn. Data validation, how you can remove duplicates. As you know, Excel is the world's most popular data analysis tools. Many companies and industry use this powerful tool to transform thousands and lakhs of data points or raw data into a clear insight. It also saves hours of your daily task. So next, the basic statistics. I have given some of the statistics that you should learn, like random variables, mean, what is variance, what is standard deviation, covariance and correlation, probability distribution function, linear regression, hypothesis testing. So these are the terms that mostly you will be using when you are doing data analysis. So please make sure that you learn these uh, statistic parameters so that it will be useful for you when you are going for any data analyst role. The visualization tool, like as I said, the most powerful tools today many companies using are either Power BI or Tableau. So you should learn any one tool, either Power BI or Tableau. These are all basic intelligence or business intelligence tool used for data analysis. Power BI and Tableau are popular these days, and both of them have their own advantage or disadvantage. So these are the things that we will learn in my next session. How to install Power BI, what is Power BI architecture, how to import data from Excel to Power BI, how you can connect to the SQL server, how to merge the data set, how you can use all the DAX function, which is very important when you are going for any Power BI interview. They will ask regarding the DAX function, how you can model the data modeling part is separate session that will do that. And finally, how to create a dashboard and how you can share that dashboard to the different department. So all these things we'll learn in my next session. And finally, SQL. Yes, SQL is very important to learn when you are going for any data analysis or data analyst role. Some candidates, they will mention the Power BI in a resume and they will not mention SQL. So I would recommend those candidates to put this SQL also in your resume, because without SQL you cannot claim yourself as a full data analyst. So it is very important to learn SQL. Some of the basic SQL commands that you can learn, like how to create a tables, how to drop a table, how to select any particular data set, how to use SQL clause like where and with or having. So these are the basic things that you should learn in SQL. SQL keys, what is primary keys, foreign keys, unique keys. So another thing is the, as I told about the Python and Azure, which is very optional, and if you want to learn, that is always an added advantage for you if you learn any language. So for the next session we'll also learn how you can utilize these skills like SQL, data visualization tool, how you can use basic statistics, how you can use Excel. So today we'll close this session, and you can expect me for the next session with a new video. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, I would suggest, please subscribe our channel, also like our YouTube videos, and also if you have any comments, I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much.